integration is the key in the entire aspects of the flow of goods. So if there is any bottleneck or any data which is not coming, reaching to the system, the actions cannot happen. So I'll just give an example to just touch base on how it is if required. Let's say we work with Carrefours and the Lulus and the big retailers. So the normal process is basically like Excel or paper based, where they create a PO and they fax it. Those days, now it used to come by email, and someone has to take it in our office, looks at the numbers, key in the data, which is called as order creation. Before that, get a credit approval whether this whether we will be able to deliver, and then the data is sent to the warehouse to do the pick and pack. Now the time is an essence in the entire process, because we have certain KPIs with the retailers that we will deliver the goods within 24 hours. So the retailer normally gives the purchase order by afternoon 12 o'clock. That means another 3 hours is taken internally manually by various departments to authorize it, and before actually the order gets sent to the warehouse, by the time the warehouse is shut. So next day morning we'll never be able to achieve. Now here what we did was we actually went ahead and started talking to the retailers, asking them that, look, can we integrate the systems, integrate with our warehouse management system or our ERP system, so that as soon as the purchase order is created and electronically the data can flow within a fraction of 5 minutes, and the order is being released in the warehouse for pick and pack. So credit control approval happens online. So when I do this process, imagine we were so much of pressure was or stress was put on the warehouse, because they have to take a lot of time to pick and pack, and they may have to work extra hours. Now with the integration, it's an efficiency which has achieved, and seamless data. More or less, we have the visibility, so we will be able to understand how many orders they have received, what lines we have picked, what we have not. So there are a lot of dashboards which will be more of analytics, which will be attached to the entire process. So even from the purchasing side, from the supplier side, we have to integrate. Even we have to integrate with our transportation partner, where we will be delivering the goods across the border, and we would like to see how the goods goes, what time it takes. Again, so this is only possible only with an integration, so that we will be able to have one single window to have the data, to take decisions and to see the data.